again. Again, I do apologize once again for being out for a while. I had some family things that needed to be taken care of. So, but now that I'm back, let's get down to things. So, in today's video, and I'll explain what this is. Today's video, if you guys remember, a while back I was talking about possibly getting tail lights and everything like that. So I finally picked up some tail lights. So we're gonna open this up real quick, and then yeah, we're gonna install it. And it's really simple to install, especially on a 99 Dodge Durango or even the 99 Dodge Dakota. So I did pick these up off of Amazon for a reasonable price, and I will put the link in description down below for all you guys to check out too. So let me just find a knife. I'll be right back. I don't know if you guys can really see it, man. This looks really nice. I've seen a lot of these trucks out there with the halos and the LED and everything like that, and I figured, okay, I got the headlights, the tail lights need to go, so I got these for the rear. So I'm hoping you guys like it. Leave the comments down below if you like something like this. Like I said, I'll leave the description and link down below for you guys to check out. I did purchase these off of Amazon, so and supposedly it's fairly easy to install. It comes with, I guess, a fan for you to install here, and then stickers, so I guess you can place it back here for it. And then, but the installation itself is pretty simple. Now I'm going to make this a quick video, so let's go outside and we'll install it real quick. Alright, so it's pretty simple to take one of these off, alright, both of them off for the 99 Dodge Durango and the Dakotas. Excuse my mess, a lot of automotive stuff. But if you look inside, it's just one and two. Two screws, Phillips head screwdrivers, and it's pretty simple. Take those two out, pop the headlight out, and then I'm guessing with the new setup I can just bolt it right straight into, but we'll see here in just a minute. And there you go. Literally that easy. Now I have to figure out if I need to take that piece off and put it towards that piece up there. So give me a quick second. Alright, so this is what I did so far. The kit that I ordered on Amazon, it comes with these, I'm guessing heat servos or whatever, extra heat source to help, but it really doesn't explain where to really put these, and I don't really want to put them on the back here because I don't want it to get too hot and melt the light that's inside here. So what I'm actually doing is, because it comes with the 3M tape, it comes with a full piece, so what I did was I cut it completely in half and I put it on each side because it looks like there's vents back here, and if you see that, but right in here I cleaned a spot off, and I think right here will definitely sit perfect where it needs to, and then I can plug everything in. So once I can get everything plugged in and stuff, we'll do a test, and then yeah, I'll install the other one, and then we'll do and see if everything works correctly. Okay, let's pray and find out if everything's going to work correctly. Alright. Alright. there you have it. Now, for the good part. I'm going to start it up. Check to see if the lights are working correctly. Alright, but that looks pretty damn good for aftermarket so far. I mean, nice. Very, very nice. Everything is working correctly. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Loving it. Oh yeah. Brakes are working real nice. Hazards. Hazards are working good. Sweet. Reverse lights are working real good. So we're set. Alright, so I'm going to be real brief. If all of you guys know what this company is. Alright. Stellan. It's a big ass box. Pardon my language, but I'm not going to open it yet. So if you guys can guess what this is going to be in the next video that I'm going to be doing here in the next day or two. So stay tuned for that. And then I've got another box that I'm going to be showing you guys. And then another box that I'm going to be showing you guys. So if you want to see what's inside this box for next video, definitely hit that subscribe button if you are considering subscribing to the channel. Definitely hit that thumbs up, like the video if you do like the video. And definitely hit that bell notification for when I do pop up, because it will be an ongoing thing. Like I said, I've got a lot of new toys to put on to my silver Durango, including hint hint, some new suspension work and some new things to go with that suspension work. So like I said, stay tuned for next video. Hit that thumbs up, hit that bell notification for when I do pop up, and leave any comments down below if any of you guys know what this is, and leave any comments down below what you guys thought about the install for the new rear custom lights. I'll leave all the description and links down below for you guys to get those tail lights. And we'll be doing another video for this, and I'll be doing another reveal of the next part for the truck. We got a lot more cosmetics, and we got a lot more horsepower coming in for both vehicles. Alright? So, stay tuned for next time. Thank you guys. See you next video. Later. Peace.